Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliBooks. I'm Manish, and today we're looking at how AI can move beyond simple conversation and actually perform structured operational work.
Exactly. I'm Abhishek, and IntelliBooks Studio is built for that shift. According to the company's latest platform materials, the focus is on AI agents grounded in real business data, governed access, and auditable actions. So today, we are taking that idea into K through 12 education.
And specifically, we're showing an AI student records officer, the IntelliBooks Student Records Orchestrator.
Right. And this is the key point. It's not just a chatbot answering from vibes, It combines ingestion, retrieval, structured system queries, document operations, and reconciliation inside one orchestrated workflow.
So let's start with the situation. In a school district, student information usually is not sitting neatly in one place. It's scattered across folders, scanned files, Word documents, and separate systems.
Yeah. And when a parent asks a question about a child's education plan, staff may have to search multiple folders, open several files, and cross-check the student information system. Honestly, the risk is not just slow work, it's picking the wrong student.
Exactly. So here's the task. Find the correct student, retrieve the relevant records, and produce an answer that can actually be verified.
And for this demo, we are using seeded fictional plain field data. That matters because we want to show the workflow without implying these are live student records.
Now, first action, we upload the district folder as it already exists. No unnecessary refiling, no cleanup project before the work can even begin.
Before ingestion, the platform previews what it found and what it will skip. So for example, operating system files, Word log files, or images without usable text can be excluded before indexing starts.
Then the supported records are ingested and the system builds a searchable layer over them.
Right. Filter, extract, chunk, embed, index. And the important thing is the original documents remain preserved while the searchable index is created. That lines up with IntelliBooks material about answers carrying citations and source lineage, not replacing the source of truth.
So now we ask a plain language question. Give me everything we hold on Maria Cuevas.
The orchestrator identifies the student, searches indexed records, and retrieves structured information in parallel. Then it returns an answer with evidence, file name, relevant section, and access back to the untouched original.
And that is the result people care about. Instead of saying, trust the AI, IntelliBooks gives staff a way to verify the answer.
Exactly. If the information is not present, the agent should not invent it. That's really the dividing line between conversational AI and operational AI.
Let's push it further. We ask, what are Maria's mathematics goals? And which document are they in?
Now the agent narrows the retrieval, identifies the relevant content, and points directly to the IEP document. One question, one answer, and the source document right there.
But the money shot is identity reconciliation. If we ask which students match the name M. Cuevas, there may be multiple candidates.
Yes, and the agent does not just guess, it surfaces the possible matches and asks which student is actually intended. In student records, being uncertain is better than being confidently wrong.
That's a big deal, especially in education workflows where FERPA-aware controls and careful identity handling matter.
And the workflow does not stop at retrieval. IntelliBooks also shows connected document operations. In this demo, the agent finds a Word enrollment record in a connected drive, reads it back, then after confirmation in chat, writes the updated address as a new version.
Important detail. The original document remains untouched. We're only showing the .docx workflow here, and the value is safe versioning, not overwriting the source.
There's also agent-to-agent delegation. A residency question can be handed off to a specialized residency validation agent, so you're not relying on one giant model to do everything.
You're looking at a coordinated network of specialized agents, retrieval, validation, reconciliation, and document work, all operating inside one business process.
And that matches how IntelliBooks describes its platform more broadly. Grounded answers, audit trails, existing permissions, and multi-step agents that can query, validate, and act.
So that's the Student Records Orchestrator from IntelliBooks. It connects the records districts already have with AI workflows that can search, verify, reconcile, and act.
No unnecessary refiling, no guessing which student a record belongs to, and every answer is built around evidence.
Thanks for joining us. If you want to explore IntelliBooks Studio and build your own AI workforce, this is the kind of operational pattern to look for.
And the takeaway is simple. AI that works with your records, not just talks about them.